From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Allison Souza here with your Tuesday morning forecast. This camera is panned at Beaver Stadium, but you can't really see it right now. We're seeing a lot of fog here in Happy Valley this morning, so be mindful of that on your morning commute today. Visibility is currently at 1 mile. Current temperature this morning is 55 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions, again over that fog. Taking a look at the rest of the state, we're seeing similar temperatures, 54 in DuBois, 61 in Pittsburgh. We have our warm outlier, Philadelphia, at 68 degrees already this morning. And some areas are seeing clouds, but Scranton and DuBois were already seeing the sun poke out this morning. Taking a look at our current radar and satellite, there's really not a lot to speak of. We have some clouds rolling through the state this morning. You can see a little bit of precipitation here, but that's mostly confined to Maryland and basically to the south of the Commonwealth. There's a stationary front in place that is keeping the precipitation from reaching any parts of Pennsylvania. I also want to talk to, we're going to have a blocking high pressure system build into the northeast as we head throughout this week. And so it's currently located up in towards Canada, but as we head into Thursday, it's going to set a little bit more into New England. And this is going to continue to build throughout the week. And this is what's going to keep us dry and mostly sunny throughout this week and also help to steer our tropical systems currently in the Atlantic out to sea and prevent landfall on the coast. Taking a look at future weather for Pennsylvania, today we're going to see those clouds decrease as we head into the evening and overnight hours. So just a few clouds overnight tonight, but mostly clear conditions. And then as we head into tomorrow, plentiful sunshine throughout the day, not a cloud in sight. So it could be a really beautiful day. Heading towards the end of this week, we could see clouds return towards the end of this week, but any chances for precipitation, we're just not seeing anything move in here. And again, this is this high pressure system that's going to keep most of the eastern seaboard sunny and dry and heading into this weekend as well. So this is a really good time to get outside, go on a hike, go to any fall activities that you might want to enjoy. All right, looking at our tropical systems currently, this is Hurricane Umberto. It's currently a Category 2 storm with maximum sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. And close to the coast here is Tropical Storm Imelda. That currently has sustained winds of 70 miles per hour. But even though it's really close to the East Coast right now, it is going to head out to sea. And again, this is partially from that blocking high pressure that is currently sitting in the Northeast. And also thanks to this jet stream, it's going to help to steer both storms out to sea. So taking a look at their cones, Umberto is going to take a slight turn north before it heads back out east. And Imelda is going to continue on with a east-northeast track. But Bermuda is still in play for both of these storms. They could see some impacts from this, so anybody there needs to pay attention to any local advisories and stay weather aware. Looking at our tropical storm force wind probabilities, this dark purple is the 90% probability, and all of these are well away from the any parts of the mainland United States. But that doesn't mean that these storms aren't going to have any impact. Currently, some of the East Coast is seeing some precipitation from these systems, but people also need to keep in mind for dangerous surf and rip currents that these storms could cause. And Bermuda is in the 90% tropical storm force wind probability. It looks like that Imelda is going to pass. The center of that storm is going to pass very close to the island, so make sure you're staying weather aware. Heading back to State College, today we see a high of 79 degrees with decreasing clouds throughout the day and winds from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mostly clear skies with a low of 48, and again, winds from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, plentiful sunshine throughout the day, a high of 70 degrees and winds from the northeast. Heading throughout the rest of this week, temperatures are going to take a slight dip towards seasonal as we head in towards the end of the week, but we're going to creep back up above average heading into this weekend. But lots of sunshine in store and not many clouds. So it's a really nice time to get outside and be active. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Allison Souza. Have a great day.